There are a number of outcomes that we want students to achieve after they complete a career technical education program. One of the first outcomes is to have employability skills. We start as early as the elementary division where students are exposed. We allow students in the middle division to explore, and we want students in the senior division to practice. The opportunity to practice those skills via an authentic work experience throughout the course of their high school career is critical to determine what they might want to do and to also rule out careers that they might not be interested in.
Milton Hershey tried all of these different careers and he found out that it wasn't right for him, so he found candy making and he built all of this, MHS, the town. I chose human services because I want to be an elementary school teacher. If I was in a different high school, this opportunity wouldn't be right here in front of me. And there's a ton of options. It was even hard for me to choose. All my friends and stuff, they come to me and say, oh, I did this in auto, I did this in culinary. And I think it's great because they're doing what they love to do.
We're blessed with resources at Milton Hershey School that allow our students to experience many areas that are potentially better than industry and better than post-secondary, and it allows us to get ahead. It allows an advantage for our students because of the facilities that they experience. We're also blessed to have partnerships with many local entities in the Hershey community. We want to absolutely prepare our students and align them with industry credentials, align them with post-secondary expectations, so that when our students leave, they have a leg up on students in other areas that aren't exposed to the things that we're exposing our students to.